right, 4:45 this Monday morning. Sounds like we have one more day to enjoy, Todd, before
party is almost over.
Wake up to reality.
Yeah, it's kind of sad that it's coming to an end, but it's going to go out with a bang.
I know.
I mean, you know, it's tough to top what we did over the weekend.
It was so nice.
It was incredible.
Beautiful.
But this afternoon, if we could just subtract the wind, this afternoon would be even more special than what we had over the weekend.
Wow.
The wind this afternoon is going to kick up, and that's what's going to draw down some chillier air. So as the sun sets this evening, which will be around 4:30 for us now with the time change, those temperatures will be dropping. At the moment, we have some raindrops to contend with. If you're hitting the roads in the next 45 minutes to an hour, there will be some rain out there. The showers in southern Maine are beginning to dry up as they enter the Portland area from the west. But places like Buxton, all the way back to Sanford, Springvale, up to Limerick, you're seeing a little bit of wet weather right now. It's all very light. It's a little heavier to the north. Augusta, you got a little squall coming through, back through the Belgrade Lakes. And then on up to the Route 2 corridor, it's some heavier rain right now between Farmington and Skowhegan. Looks like we'll get a few sprinkles and light showers in Lewiston in another half hour or so. Up north for Bangor, yes, there's some steadier rain to your north, and it's closing in on the city from the north and west, getting to about Hamden at the moment. Carmel also has some rain. On up into southern parts of Piscataquis County, some heavier downpours here for Dover, Foxcroft, Milo, Maxfield as well. Temperatures with these showers are very warm. These numbers represent some exceptionally mild overnight lows. So we'll probably set another one of these, what we call mini maxes. The overnight low stays so warm, it's the warmest that it's ever been kind of thing. So it never really cooled off last night. This is a front coming through which will fall apart, so we won't get a good push of cold air yet, which is great for us. That means we get another warm day. But this evening, this comes through this trough, which is the leading edge of that cold air mass that's up in Canada, and that will take over this evening through about Wednesday, and then we start to moderate our temps again. Showers early, then clearing pretty quickly. It's very mild out there. Midday, it's statewide sunshine. The wind will pick up, but it'll be abnormally warm again with temps clearing 70 degrees. Then this afternoon and early evening, again, it gets dark really quickly. 4:30, you'll be driving home. The first commute in the evening will be in the dark. A gusty wind out of the northwest, and our temperatures will be sliding. But we'll first achieve these numbers here. 72 in Bangor, 75 in Portland. Both would represent new record high temps. And then they're gone. And it'll be much colder tomorrow with a high near 50. We'll have high pressure around, so plenty of sunshine. But again on Wednesday, a high near 50. That high slides off the coastline. We'll start to see milder air work back to the north and east. No rain around at all for the end of the week. However, down in Florida, we're going to be watching potentially another landfalling tropical system. And that rain may be coming up the coastline for the start of our weekend. So we'll have to watch the tropical remnants. We may end up with some pretty heavy rainfall here Saturday morning especially, and it could be an inch or two of rain if the remnants take that path right up the coastline. Right now it looks like that's what will happen, so we'll keep an eye on that for you. Gale watches are up, let's see, 4 a.m. tomorrow through the afternoon, but today it's still going to be pretty gusty. Winds out of the south to 30 knots and seas 4 to 6 feet. That's some chop out there and a bad wind direction for doing some work on the water. Clearing out this morning, very, very warm again, 70 to 75. Tomorrow, it's brisk, it's colder, it's bright though, with a high near 50. What an adjustment, huh? Same thing on Wednesday, sunny and chilly near 50 degrees. Milder for the end of our week though. Thursday, mostly sunny in the mid-60s, 60 on Friday, partial sun, and then we've got some rain to start the weekend.
At least on those colder days, we have the sun.
We do,
yeah,
exactly.
not
So that's
bad.
kind of nice.
All right, thank you, Todd.
Sure.